How are you doing, Ramesh?
I am good. How about you?
I'm also good. So, Ramesh, how was this year for you in terms of the yield and the market prices?
This year has been pretty good to me as compared to the last few years. I got almost 20 to 25% increase in the yield and also comparatively better prices for the produce.
That's good. Tell me one thing. We both work on the same kind of crops, under same weather conditions, and we also put almost same kind of efforts. Moreover, we trade in the same markets for our crops. Then why there is such a substantial difference in the amount of yield and the market price we get?
Brother, problem is not with the choice of your crops or your efforts.
Then what is the problem?
We are always in search of some kind of solutions that can help us with better yields. And most of the times we end up with synthetic and chemical-based farming products. These products may give us quick results, but the quality and quantity of yield goes down in the long run. By the end of the day, we don't get the expected prices for our yield.
That's true. But what can we do? I want to know, what did you do to tackle this problem?
Well, I was also clueless like you. Then one of my friends told me about BioFit products by NetSurf Network. BioFit is a range of 7 farm care and 2 cattle care products, which helps farmers to take a step towards adopting a holistic approach for organic farming. After listening to his experience, I decided to use BioFit Stimrich, and it did wonders to my business.
Steamrich? What is it? Can you please explain it to me?
It is an organic plant growth promoter, and its systematic use makes plant vigorous, healthy and productive at all growth stages.
This sounds very promising. Can you explain how does it help across all the critical growth stages?
Sure. Ideally, a crop goes through 6 critical growth stages in its life cycle, and Stimrich works on each of these stages. Let's understand it stepwise. First, seed germination. This is the first stage of crop growth, and an important too. Still, we have noticed that only 60 to 70% of the total seeds lead to germination, and in the very beginning only, we suffer a loss of 30 to 40% of the seeds. The usage of Stimrich helps to minimize this loss by increasing the germination of more seeds. In my case, almost 90 to 92% of total seeds were germinated. Second, 3 to 5 leaf stage. This is a very crucial stage because the development of white roots happens in this period, which is responsible for the absorption of nutrients. Stimrich, if sprayed in this stage, encourages the proper progress of white roots that lay a strong foundation for the next growth stages. Stronger the foundation, healthier the plant. Third, vegetative growth. Now that the root system can support growth, the vegetative stage begins. Application of Stimrich at this stage enhances the development of strong stem, more branching and tillering of the crop. Fourth, flowering stage. We all know that more the number of flowers, more will be the yield. However, we face a serious issue of flower drop due to lower levels of auxin. To counter this concern, Stimrich provides naturally derived auxin to the crops, which considerably reduces the flower drop. Fifth, fruit setting or panicle formation. Stimrich helps to increase the size of panicle and uniforms the fruit setting. Sixth, grain filling and fruit forming. This is the final stage of crop life cycle, and Stimrich helps in transporting carbohydrate from trunk to the panicles and fruits, which results into natural development of color, better size and fresh looking yield. So this is how Stimrich helps in increasing the yield by almost 20 to 25% while reducing interculture cost or cost of seeds.
But weren't you skeptical before trying this new product on your farm? Because there are so many products in the market which claim the same kind of results.
I was equally worried. After all, my livelihood is dependent on farming. So I decided to study about the product and the company, and I got to know that more than 1 million farmers are already using BioFit products on their farms. In addition to this, Stimrich is approved by the required certifying authorities such as it is manufactured at DSIR approved labs. It also has an APEDS certificate for no chemical residual.
You explained it so well. Tell me one more thing. Is it compatible to some specific crops only?
So the best part is that it works for all kinds of crop such as fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, cereals, etc.
All this is understandable. But why do you get better prices for your yield?
See, if your crop would be good in color, size, fresh looking plus organic, then anybody would be happy to pay better prices. After all, we all want to eat healthy.
I would certainly try this product on my farm. Please tell me how to do it.
It is very simple. Just add 1 milliliter of Stimrich to 1 liter of water and spray it during every important stage of your crop.
One last question, Ramesh. Is there any other precautions that I must take care of while using this product?
Good that you reminded me about it. You must take care of these two things for the best results. Clean your spray pump before using it for Stimrich, and there should not be any residue of chemicals or synthetic elements in the pump. Never mix Stimrich with any synthetic product, and being completely organic in nature, it is not at all compatible with them. You also need to be careful while using it for seed germination stage. For an example, if the seed shell is soft and sensitive, you just need to spray the Stimrich on them and keep them in shade for few hours before sowing. On the other hand, if seed shells are hard, they need to be soaked in Stimrich, then keep them in shade for few hours before sowing. So you should opt for BioFit farming, profitable farming. If you want to learn more about BioFit products, just log on to www.netsurfnetwork.com.